Hello everyone, got a little something for my Avenger. Let me show it to you. Since my airbox is broken, clips are missing and mounts are broken, I figured I'd pick up a cheap cold air intake kit from eBay. So let's get this hood popped and we'll get the old box out. We'll see you in a second. Alright, here's my airbox. First thing I noticed right off the bat was the vent right here is obviously way too big for that hose to go on there, so I'm gonna have to figure out something. The kit said it was supposed to come with all necessary hardware. It did not. I'm gonna have to figure out something with that. But you can see my mount is broken and I'm missing the clips to actually hold this closed, so I've had seat clamps on here actually since I've actually bought the car. But let me get this out and I will see y'all in a second. So the airbox is out. Airbox is real easy to take out. It's just loosening this clamp right here, disconnecting this sensor right here, lifting off the top, and then pulling out this that plastic clip right there, and the whole bottom section of the box just pulls out. It's held on with friction on the, I believe, on these two studs. And I've already taken the, I believe this is the air temperature sensor. Goes in right there. You just have to lift up a tab and twist counterclockwise and it pulls out. And I got it pushed in right there. And now I need to get this fit in there and figure out how I'm going to mount it. I got a couple different brackets I can use. I got that one and that one I can use. So I need to figure out how I'm going to mount it, and I'll see y'all in just a second. Alright, I got it on, but I do see a problem with the mount. This bracket right here is very flimsy, and I do not like that. I will be replacing that. But what I did was, one of the two studs that the original airbox mounts onto, I was able to unscrew that and put that bracket underneath it to hold it. So I'm definitely going to make another mount for that. And the screw right here I actually robbed from where the factory airbox mounts, and I took off that little clip and mounted it on the bracket that's on the air cleaner itself right there. But it's on, but I still need to figure out how I'm going to hook up that to that. I have an idea. I just need to find the pieces. And we'll see y'all in a second. Alright, I found a temporary solution. What I've done is gotten this piece of fuel line. I don't know what the size is. I don't know if it's printed on the side or not. Yeah, it's not printed on the side. But I pushed it on here and then shoved it up in here to about right there, maybe a little bit further. I didn't want to. I could have trimmed it to be able to push it in further, but I didn't want to trim it yet, just because I wanted to wait and test this out to see if I liked it or if I wanted just to put the factory stuff back on. But there it is. I definitely do not like how much that moves. I will be making another mount for that. And I did remove the front screw right there. I removed the front stud that the factory box mounted onto because the new air cleaner was actually bumping up against it, and I didn't want any vibrations. But let me get everything set up, and I will let y'all hear this thing. I'll be back in a second. All right, got everything set up. Let's go test it out. I'm definitely going to have to do a road test to see how that sounds going down the road. Oh, here we are in the car. Gonna go a short distance. My windows are filthy. Yes, I need to clean them. Not gonna be going too far with the camera going since I need to pay attention to driving, and I do have my seatbelt on. It's a good sound. Not going to go too fast in the neighborhood because speed limit's only 20. Probably could have gone right there, but here we are. Definitely sounds good. Definitely sounds very good. And if you're wondering, yes, my check engine light's on. That intake runner control valve is what's bad in mine. And slow back down. 45. There we go. Well, there it is. There's a short road test and installation of the cheap eBay cold air intake. I will see y'all later.